Warm greetings to the gentlemen and ladies sitting over there and watching this video. This is Deepika, happily welcoming you all to Pritya Classroom. So in today's video, we are going to see how to do operations in the C program. Okay, so in the last classல types of variables பார்த்தோம். இன்னைக்கு classல வந்து எப்படி வந்து calculate பண்றது, அதாவது எப்படி add பண்றது, subtract, multiplication, division இதெல்லாம் எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So first hash include stdio.h because printf function வந்து அப்பதான் work ஆகும். Next void main function. அதுக்கடுத்து என்ன பண்ணும், ரெண்டு ரெண்டு இன்டீஜர் நான் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணுறேன். a equal to b and b is equal to 5. I'm just saving two values under two integer variables, and now I'm going to calculate the addition. I'm going to print the added value of a and b. So add பண்ணி வர value வந்து ஒரு integer value, so I'm giving it as percentage d. After that I'm mentioning it as a plus b. So generally percentage d க்கு அப்புறம் கமா கொடுத்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அந்த டபுள் கொட்டேஷனுக்கு அப்புறம் கமா கொடுத்துட்டு we will give the name of the variable. We will write the name of the variable which corresponds to that percentage d. So here we need some calculation, so I'm writing a plus b. Okay, and after that if I run the program I could see addition 6. So after doing this, what I'll do, I'll try to print the subtracted value. Subtractionக்கு symbol மட்டும் change பண்ணா போதும். We just want to change plus as minus, a minus b. So after that you have to put semicolon, run the program, and you could see the subtracted value, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And if you want it to be printed on new line, backslash n, as we have discussed in the last class. Now let's see how to do multiplication. Same thing. Just want to change minus symbol as star here. Okay, so now when you run the program you will get all the results in new line as well as multiplication values also displayed. Okay, let's print what is the quotient. For printing the quotient you need to use here division. Okay, then instead of star you have to change it as slash. Okay, so எல்லாத்துலயுமே வந்து நம்ம symbol தான் change பண்றோம், எல்லா processம் same தான். So now we can see the division. So அதே மாதிரி remainder என்னன்னு check பண்றதுக்கு we have a symbol percentage. If you put percentage instead of slash here, you will get a remainder. Okay, so when you run the program you could see the remainder. Okay, so on clicking this you can maximize. Either click panna maximize. So now we can see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well as remainder, right? Okay, so what if we want to calculate some value? Okay, so we know now how to do addition, how to do multiplication, how to do division, subtraction, how to calculate the remainder also. So what for we are waiting? Let's create some real life scenario. Okay, okay, let me pick up some scenario. Okay, I'm going to a shop to buy just mentioning the weight of my rice bag or wheat bag. It is around 15 kg. Okay, and the cost price of my rice is 25 point something. Okay, so it is a decimal number, so I have to save it in a float. Price equal to 25.32. Okay, then I want to print here the total cost. What is the total cost? You all clever students, right? Tell me, what is the total cost? Very good. The total cost is nothing but price. And now this is a multiplication of a decimal with number with a non-decimal number. So the resultant will be in a decimal number, so I'm making it as percentage f. So when I run the program now, I could see the total cost price. The total cost price is 379.7998 something. Okay, so now we have learned how to do some basic multiplication, division, subtraction, addition operations with the help of C program. Okay, C program வச்சு எப்படி இப்போ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறது ஆட் பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கோட ஹோம்ஒர்க் ப்ராப்ளம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, principal amount is equal to 5,000 and number of years equal to 5 years and the rate of interest is equal to 7.5. And now you have to calculate SI. Formula for SI is nothing but PNR, sorry, PNR by 100. Okay, so this is the hint provided to you. So now you are going to write a C program for doing this. Hope you will all do this program. எல்லாரும் போட்டுருவீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். யாரெல்லாம் போட்டு அவுட்புட் வந்துச்சோ அவங்கெல்லாம் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இன்கேஸ் டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கண்டிப்பாக கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, so only when you put your comments, I'll know whether you are learning or not, whether I have my audience or not. Okay, so yes, thanks for watching this video. If you find this video is useful, please share to the one in need of it. Bye bye.